be showing you how to do a reset and also a master reset if you like. It's up to you, to your choice. On the Acer ChromeBook, this is a 10-inch Acer ChromeBook that was manufactured in 2014 with an Intel processor. But really all Chrome operating systems are very much alike from my knowledge. And so I'm going to show you basically how to master reset it to return it to the original factory settings. So let's go ahead and get into it. Now what you want to do is, if you guys can see my mouse here, you want to click on where the time is on the right hand side on the bottom, and then you want to go up to settings on the top right there. And then what you want to do is, as you see, here's the settings of the Chromebook. You want to scroll all the way down, and then you want to click on advanced on the bottom and the middle, and then this will make even more options even more available for advanced users. And you want to scroll all the way down again. Now you see where it says reset settings. It would say right here, it says restore settings to their original defaults. Say for example, what this will do is basically it's gonna restore it back to the original manufacturer defaults. Not to where the brand. This is basically gonna change the settings back to the original settings to what it was when you first bought the Chromebook. You know, when you first attained it. Now, if you wanna do a complete master reset, it's called, also they call it a power wash on a Chromebook. Now, like it says this will removes all user accounts and resets your Google Chrome device to be just like new. Now the power wash, like I said, I like to call it a master reset because this will delete all of your user accounts, all your downloads, or your files. Everything will be deleted. This Chromebook will be just like brand new out of the box. So it's your choice. So what you want to do is you want to click on, I'm going to do a master reset just to show you exactly what's involved and exactly how to do it step by step. I'm going to do a power wash. It says restart your device. A restart is required before your device can be reset with power wash. You want to click on restart. It's pretty fast. I've done this reset before. It's pretty simple. It's pretty straightforward. And now I believe it's gonna have you create. Reset this Chrome device. We're gonna click on. I'm gonna check this box that says update firmware for added security. I'm gonna check that. I'm gonna click on power wash again. Confirm power wash. It says your device will be reset and all user accounts and local data will be removed. This cannot be undone. You want to click on continue. It's just basically giving you a fair warning a couple of times to make sure that you actually want to do a master reset where you will lose everything that you've ever saved, downloaded, any apps you've installed, any user accounts you've added, basically anything you've done on this unit will be erased and that you cannot get it back. So right now I'm just waiting for the Chromebook to come back on. I think it has to restart again. Installing update. Actually, it's installing the firmware right now. As it says, please do not turn off the device. It will automatically reboot when the update finishes. Now, what's nice about Google Chromebook is that it downloads operating system. Google OS downloads updates automatically. And the next time you go ahead and restart your device, it actually installs the update, which is very fast, a lot faster than Windows and Apple, at least from what I've seen. And so it's pretty reliable, and it's really made for entertainment purposes, to be honest. Whether you like to browse YouTube a lot, or say watch Netflix, or check your email, because the battery on this Chromebook is it's pretty awesome. It lasts about 8 or 9, maybe even 10 hours, to be honest, depending on what you're doing. So as of right now, it's installing the update. It's actually updating the firmware of the unit. So this looks like it's gonna take about 4 or 5 minutes. Let's go ahead and wait for it. Now, one thing you want to do for sure, as you're doing this, you want to make sure you have enough power on your Chromebook, or you just want to have it plugged in so the battery does not die down or give you a low battery warning while you're doing this, because it would probably be not a good idea, to be honest. So I'm just waiting for it to update. That's actually installing the update right now. Okay, so now that the firmware update has been installed, we're gonna click on, it's already set to English United States, that's for the language, and then it says welcome. You want to go ahead and click on let's go on the bottom right. I'm gonna connect to you want to go ahead and connect to your internet, and let's see, security password, that's my password. Allow other users of this device to use this network. You want to go ahead and click connect. Now it's going to try to connect to your home Wi-Fi. And let's see, Google Chrome operating system terms, system security settings, optional help make Chrome OS better by automatically sending diagnostics. I like to uncheck that box. You want to click on accept and continue on the bottom right. And sign in into your Google Chromebook. Let's see. Now basically, this is where you sign into your Gmail account. He's basically putting your Gmail account and your password, and you're logged in, and you are all set. Now the device is basically back to brand new manufacturer settings, just when you first bought it out the box. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it's clear enough for you to see, as I am recording in full HD. And please give me a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. I would definitely appreciate that. Up until then, you guys have an awesome one. I'll see you next time.